respected MLA, Deputy Speaker Michael Lobo, and all the dignitaries on the dais, and my dear friends. Well, this is a joyous occasion on the eve of Christmas. We celebrate here two competitions. One is All Goa Star Making Competition, and the second one is All Goa Carols Singing Competition. Well, to organize, I think first and foremost, I express my sincere gratitude to our beloved MLA and our Sarpanch, Mrs. Delilah Lobo, for all the moral support and the invisible hands behind this organization. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all my team members. I cannot name and single out, but all have been contributing to their full potential. Last but not the least, to all my dear participants, they have come from all different parts of Goa. So my sincere appreciation to all the participants, to all those who have genuinely crafted these beautiful stars. Well, you and each one of you should be like a star to spread the light of love, happiness and peace. Merry Christmas and God bless you all.